行く、行かない、食べる、食べない、する、しない。Hello world! I am Kozysensei from Kozysensei Japanese, and welcome back to Simple Japanese Grammar Lesson for Beginners. This course is designed for those who have just started learning Japanese and those who want to review simple Japanese grammar principles. In this lesson, you will learn short form verbs in Japanese. This is so-called casual Japanese. After this lesson, you will be able to say things like I go and I don't go in casual Japanese. There has no fancy edits in this video, just learning Japanese. Are you guys ready? それでは始めましょう。So far, we learned how to use 行きます、行きません in affirmative forms. But for short forms, we just use the dictionary form, so that will be 行く and 行かない. Short form is used with our friends and family. Now, let's start with positive form. Please repeat after me. 行く、行く、行く. Your turn. 起きる、起きる、起きる。Your turn. 来る、来る、来る。Your turn. now, negative. Please repeat after me. 行かない、行かない、行かない。Your turn. 起きない、起きない、起きない。Your turn. 来ない、来ない、来ない。Your turn. Now, let's see some real-life examples. ねえねえ、今日のパーティー行く？あのパーティーね。今日は行かないかな。行かないの？なんで？いや、明日までに100ページ読まないとなんだよね。明日テストがあるんだ。明日テストがあるんだね。じゃあしょうがないね。Now, let's do some mini practices. Please repeat after me. 泳ぐ、泳ぐ、泳ぐ。泳がない、泳がない、泳がない。食べる、食べる、食べる。食べない、食べない、食べない。勉強する、勉強する、勉強する。勉強しない、勉強しない、勉強しない。Okay, guys, great job. How'd you guys do? Did well, huh? Okay, very good, very good. Please review and practice the affirmative form and short forms because they are very important in Japanese. And today we covered short forms and how to say casual sentences in Japanese. If this video helped you today, please hit the like button or subscribe or share button. よろしくお願いします。Thank you so much for watching the video until the end today. And next time, we will talk about past tense short form and how to use them in casual sentences as well. Alright, stay tuned, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. バイバイじゃあね